Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shaheen English Learners. And friends, today we are going to talk about the structure, style, or what was the form of rape of the law. So friends who are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel so that you may get notification of my new videos. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin our video. So friends, if you talk about the point, the rape of the log is a mock epic poem, a social satire. The entire poem is written in 5 cantos, making use of the popular rhymed iambic pentameter verse. The story is in poem is relatively simple. So friend, he uses simple story that reveals the incidents in the form of epic. Actually, it is a social satire on those people who took trivial matter as a grave importance, and they were actually uh, they were fanning the issue. They were exaggerating the issue while the issue was not important. It was a trivial matter that they launched the war. So what is iambic pentameter? So friends, let me clear on you what is iambic pentameter. So friends, be carefully. It's very important thing for those, especially who are students of literature. A line of words with 5 metrical feet, each consisting of one short or unstressed syllable followed by one long or long in unstressed syllable. For example, two households, both alike in dignity. So friends, this is a good example that we can quote here. So friends, he also used uh, heroic couplet in which writer or a poet has to convey his message in a very limited space, in a very limited lines, holding balance. So friends, let's see what is the definition of heroic couplet. A heroic couplet is a rhyming couplet or pair of lines with end rhymes in iambic pentameter, meaning there are 5 iambic feet on each line. The heroic couplet traditionally appears in long narrative poems called epics, but it can also be used in mock epics that parody the heroic tone of epic poetry. Pope's couplets do not fall into strict iambs, however, flowing instead with a rich rhythmic variations that keeps the highly regular meter from becoming heavy or tedious. The form invites configurations in which two ideas or circumstances are balanced, measured, or compared against one another. So, friends, uh, in two sentences, a writer has to create a balance, and one is compared against another. So friends, everything is measured before writing. So actually, Pope belongs to new classical age, and these peoples mostly focus on form rather than on contents. So friends, actually they got inspiration from classics, so that's why they are called new classics. They were very fond of rhyming schemes and literary devices, especially form. So that's why he focused more on decorating the lines of verses with rhyming schemes and heroic couplets and so on. It is thus perfect for the evaluative moralizing premise of the poem, particularly in the hands of this brilliant poet. So friends, this it is note he is called unchallenged master of heroic couplets. So friends, he was a person like Milton is the master of blank verse, so he is the unchallenged master of heroic couplets. Friends, he used in an apt way that today he is considered unchallenged master of heroic couplet. He conveyed his ideas very clearly in balanced and rhythmic tone. So friends, if you talk about style, the style used in the Rape of the Lock is mock epic, or as Pope calls it in a subtitle, a heroic comical poem. Pope treats these relatively trivial events as if they are wars and journeys characteristics of those in the Iliad and Odyssey. So, friends, he takes or he exaggerates his trivial poem, trivial matter of cutting off a lock as compared to Iliad and Odyssey. Odyssey and Iliad are epics and they are the very serious and they have grave importance in literature and in the history of literature, especially in Greek mythology, friends. So he is using these things in order to criticize the people and make fun of that they are taking minor issues as serious issues. Pope explains at the beginning of Canto 1 that this will be an impressive description of a minor event. So, what dire offense from amorous causes supremes, what mighty contest rise from trivial things. So, friends, here he is saying that what trivial things people launch a war and such, fighting with one another. So, he is here actually seeking help from Muse, the goddess of poetry. Note the epic language which describes these trivial events. So, friends, you can note the language that he is using here for narrating his minor or common incident in a very specific and a grave importance. Still could the labor of the gods destroy and strike to dust the imperial paths of Troy. So, friends, here is an allusion to the Troy, who was the city that was destroyed uh, because the Paris, who was the prince of Troy, he abducted Helen. So Agamemnon and his brother Menelaus went there and they destroyed Troy. So, friends, this is an illusion. Pope exaggerates minor incidents, giving grave intention like epic. He uses playful and amusing language. His descriptions are vivid. So, friends, whatever he described in uh, aptly, and his manner of describing things were clear. And though he is describing the minor incidents, but he is describing in very clear manners. So thanks, friends. It was our today's video, and if you like my videos, please don't forget subscribe and share with your friends. And thanks for watching.